In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Popup in Webflow. We'll build this using Webflow's app ecosystem so you can add a polished pop-up without writing code. Start by opening your Webflow project in the designer. Make sure you're in the correct site you want to update. Once you're there, look for the Apps or Marketplace option in the interface. Click the highlighted control to open it. In the search field that appears, type the app name as shown on screen. You'll see a matching result for a tool that elevates engagement with pop-ups, forms, and quizzes in Webflow. Click the highlighted result to open it. On the listing page, choose Open Full Listing so you can review the details in a larger view. First, click the Description tab to understand what the app does and how it integrates with your site. Then click Permissions. This is important. It shows exactly what access the app needs to function, so you can install with confidence. When you're ready, click Install on Site. If prompted, confirm the site you want to install it on. After installation, a prompt appears asking you to select a block element, like a div, where the embed will live. Click the prompt to proceed, then click the highlighted area on your canvas where you want the pop-up integration to be placed. A clean, empty div or wrapper near the end of your page structure works well and keeps things organized. If you don't see the right element at first, use the navigator to pick the exact container and then return to the canvas. Next, open the Add Elements menu and scroll to the Apps section. Click Formester to insert the app's embed into the element you just selected. Follow the on-canvas highlight to confirm the placement. If you have a specific section reserved for pop-ups or modals, this ensures everything stays neatly grouped and easy to maintain later. With the embed placed, you're ready to push the change live. Click Publish. Choose the domain or environment you use for testing and confirm. Once publishing completes, open your site on the published link and verify that the pop-up integration appears where expected. If anything looks off,